The idea of the garden is about celebrating ourselves as well, our connection to the whenua, our relationship with the awa, with the stories that were once here. People can come here and enjoy this space and know that this actually is work that has been done by Rongowhakaata.
This was one of our kai cupboards. Pretty much the Kanae, and that's where the word Waikanae comes from, the Kanae. The mullet was a huge area where we traded food. The Waikanae stream was actually a lot wider than it is. It pretty much would come all of this way, so it was a lot wider than that, and people would go along the Waikanae stream to trade fish, shellfish, kai, any sort of kai. So it was like a main water highway for people.
Lots of different stories have been told. Things are like the 13 pātuna that used to be along here. All those different stories. This was the main highway back in the days for the waka to travel. All those sort of stories came out, and then it connects yourself with who you are and where you come from as well. So we've been down here a couple of years working, but the number of bird species has increased. So to us, those are the tohus that tell us we're on the right track. Those plants being that big are the tohus to tell us we're meant to be doing what we're meant to be doing. That, the planets have aligned, and it is timely that we do this mahi.